Alright, we've trekked a few miles, about 6 or so, clearing the vertical smoker to get to where we're going for a little out-back smoking session. We will be doing smoked stuffed peppers today. Mind you, we've walked a good 6 to 8 miles already. We already got camp set up. Coals are going. Just using my Brinkmann vertical smoker that the wife found on Facebook Marketplace. Brand new, unused, still had factory oil on it. 50 bucks. Can't beat it. It was too much to try to carry the offset this far, being as we're just a two-man operation. So, alright, we'll get things going and we'll be back in a little bit. This is not a neat process because of the ash. Alright, I'm not telling everything that's in the stuffed pepper mix because everyone has their own recipes, so just do the recipe that you like. It does have green peppers, onions, and seasoning. Put the meat in the patties, and you're gonna go on just not super long. Kind of char them up, cook them a little bit. You could also brown the meat in the house if you want to do that, but we like the charcoal smoky flavor. Alright, those will go for a little bit. I'll do a flip and then I'll put them in a bowl, mix it up, and stuff the peppers, which are sitting currently to the left. Smoke's rolling. I have a little bit of cherry wood and a few pieces of apple of a tree that was cut down. It was given to me. Most smokers will say, it's too much smoke, it's dirty smoke. It's smoke, it's fine. I've been doing this for a while. It works just fine. Doesn't produce dirty smoke. Alright, we're going to give these a flip. Oh yeah. Hopefully they don't fall apart. You don't want to cook them all the way. You want to cook them maybe 60 to 70% of the way. Just get the char on the outside. Alright, the meat that we were grilling up is in there. Now I'm gonna chop it up. Yep, my water just fell up. Perfectly chopped, just try to get some of the big stuff. course, we gotta take a little taste.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Balling. Alright, I have already cut up peppers. I needed to drag a bigger table out here, but I'm now going to put the meat in the peppers. There are also a couple peppers that are getting done the traditional way in the oven in the house. Again, for the people that do not like smoked meats. You don't have to pack it in. Whatever meat's left over, just you can dump it in the pan or eat it. You can use a rack if you want. Pan works a little better for the ones that are unstable. Alright, and I have some tomato soup. You can use tomato juice. I prefer tomato soup. A little on the top. Oops. Can add cheese if you'd like. I don't. A little water. Yes, that water went completely all down my leg. I do already have some beef base in there. Alright, so the pan, a little flimsy, so I used one of the grates from the smoke box in my offset. Make it more sturdy. Just for getting it in and out. They are in. I have added a water pan. For now, that could change. And I'm gonna add block of cherry, another chunk of cherry, and a little bit of apple. And then we'll let that go. Alright, we're going to check. We don't really need to check temperature. Just going to see how the peppers are coming.
Wait a minute.
I walked 8 miles to get to you.
8 miles?
Yeah.
That's the same amount we walked.
Why are you guys over here way out in the woods?
In the wilderness?
Why are you in the wild?
Okay, we're checking the peppers. They're going. Push them back in. Still got the water pan in. I'll leave that in for maybe another half hour, and then I'm pulling the water pan so we can really kick this up.
So we're cutting potatoes, and this thing broke into the canopy. We're not sure what it is. Make sure to comment below what this is.
Is that a bait?
I don't know what that is.
Ooh, come here. Let me touch it. What is it?
Yeah.
Why is this in a cooking video?
We'll do a quick check. Getting the color we want. Still a little bit longer. Not as soft as they need to be. Alright, stuffed peppers are done. See if I can get this off without dropping it. Because that would result in ordering pizza, and I do not want pizza. Okay. See if we can safely do this. Mission accomplished. That's a burger for Jackson's Corner. You don't like stuffed peppers. Alright, we'll be back in a bit.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Ballin'.
I'm balling.